Kitchen poem food Lexi. This white fleshy soft buttons when tossed with right spices and given an Afghan Kadai touch. No foodie can stop getting tempted. This is one such dish which is loved more and more every time whenever I cook this at home without getting bored. So let's start cooking kitchen poems, umami tasty Kadai mushroom. The story begins with gathering the required essentials to make this yummy dish. I have taken 1 capsicum, 2 onions, 4 spicy chilies and 2 tomatoes. Then comes our main ingredient, that's mushroom, that I've taken 200 grams of it. Now grab up some garlic and ginger, and the quantity should be totally based on your taste buds. Here I have taken 7 garlic pearls and very little ginger. The raw spices which I have taken here are 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds or soap, 2 to 3 clove, 2 cardamoms, 5 to 6 black pepper seeds, and a medium-sized cinnamon stick. Other spices which we have taken are in the clockwise direction. From 12 o'clock, it's turmeric powder, mustard seeds, garam masala, cumin powder, red chili powder, salt, dry mango, and a little cumin seeds. Now grab up the knife and start chopping those onions, tomatoes, and green chilies. And those chopped veggies can be of bigger size because this will get grinded in the later stages. Let's turn on the flame and start cooking. Add 3 tablespoons of oil inside the pan and add all those raw masalas which we have taken. Now it's time to add green chilies, garlic and ginger because you have seen golden brown color. Saute a little and then add onions and those tomatoes. You can add some salt to remove water from tomatoes and onions. After 5 minutes on a medium flame, this is almost cooked, and let it cool down to the room temperature. After it is cooled, blend it in a mixer to get a fine paste like this. Keep this aside and take half onion and 1 capsicum. Onions are peeled layer by layer like this, and the capsicums can be of larger pieces. In a pan of hot oil, put these peeled onions and capsicum pieces. After a little saute, you can keep this fried ingredient aside. Now comes the frying of fleshy chopped buttons with just a little oil. This stuff will have a lot of water inside. We can add a little salt, turmeric, and some chilies to speed up this process. Keep it on the flame till it's completely dry like this. Take a pan with 2 tablespoons of oil on a flame. Add a little cumin seeds and some mustard seeds, 2 red chilies which are cut into half, and 1 bay leaf. Wait till those mustard seeds start popping out, and add our soft orange paste which we have made. Also add coriander powder. cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and little dry mango. Keep the mixture on the low flame for 5 minutes and then add fried onions and capsicum. Saute a little and then add those umami mushrooms. After 5 minutes, kitchen poems of Afghan Kadai Mushroom is ready.